Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, na 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 na.
Name is Ami Dumbuya, and this is my first day doing the Mambo Waterfalls, and I've been doing, well, I did the Picket Hill walk. That was amazing, but this is my first time doing this. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to getting on this hike. I see there's a lot of people there, about 30 or 45 people, to seeing the falls. I'm really grateful for the VSL team. They've done a great job organizing these events. Every time I get an opportunity, you know, I try to join them. So I look forward to them, actually.
All Christy Baba, Baba. Yeah, yeah. Now that they complain, why I be one good? Why you they make me wait? Why you lift me up? Now that they complain, why I be one good? Why I they fly higher? Why I'm going higher? God, only you don't take me this fire. Now it make I no go ever miss fire. With your love I no go ever retire. God, only you don't take me this fire. With your love I no go ever miss fire. I no go ever miss fire.
Oh, sweet, we're here. So good.
Really? You show me the cool love, they don't take me joy. I put them for wonder, I put them for trauma. Let me come out that you to your brother. Papa, now you they bless me. People pull up, you don't let me. Cannot Dubai, Papa, now you a master planner. Giovanni's you my provider. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. Papa, now you don't left me. You don't left me. Oh, no, 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 no. Papa, now you don't left me. You show me my pull up, you don't left me. You don't left me. Even people who call me family, turn around and be me enemy, yeah. You don't left me, Papa. Shout out to all them fake friends, eh. You are the pass and take one and forget I me. You think you do me, hola. You think you killing me, hola. And go there look for way, for what you done, yeah, yeah. You go there wonder, now it's see you do bad. The same people go say. Carpenter Messina, all praise to Baba, Baba, yeah. All praise to Baba, Baba, yeah, yeah. Now that they complain, why I be one good? Why you they make me wait? Why you lift me up? Now that they complain, why I be one good? Why I they fly higher? Why I'm going higher? God, only you don't take me this fire. Now it make I no go ever miss fire. With your love I no go ever retire. God, only you don't take me this fire. With your love I no go ever miss fire. I never ever miss my Papa. You show me but cool up, then don't take me joy away.
I'm Abdulaziz Kamara. Most people call me Kaiz. This particular hike, na the second time this I don't count VSL, so me not the first timer. I think it's always an interesting experience. Now they make any time I can let for tag along with VSL, the hikes them, because you get to meet people and you get to meet friends. You know, every time I think say the experience fresh and something different most the way they add. So you always find something new. I can check out VSL, they handles them on social media. I follow them pages them, both on Instagram and also on Twitter. Then also they can share something on WhatsApp I can say as well.
I think we have to take these things serious. All Sierra Leoneans. For me, tourism is my life. But if government, like put on a local corona, if government not try for stop sand mining along the peninsula, there will be no tourism business in Sierra Leone in the next 4 or 5 years. I don't tell them, say, if we embrace tourism, punishment don't done Paris. Because now there we grow. If we embrace tourism, punishment done. But then they listen.
Octar Rojas is my name. I'm the operations manager of VSL Travel. Basically, VSL have always been organizing hikes. So, but for most times, it's based on requests. Since COVID, we've been trying to organize regular hikes, mostly weekly, on a weekly basis. So the essence of these hikes is to promote domestic tourism. So we want to ensure we have more of our locals visiting some of our touristic sites, knowing some of these places. Last year, we started a movement called Movember Movement, which aims at promoting domestic tourism.
We went to sites such as Mambo Waterfall, Sugarloaf, Piketty. We've also taken people to Banana Islands, hiked between Dublin and Riquet.
So this year again, we've lined up a couple of activities for November, which we're going to start rolling from the first weekend of November throughout the last weekend.
We are going to show people the beauty of Sierra Leone while enhancing their physical fitness.
So we intend to push it to December, with the final trip going to be the Kabbalah Senekedugu trip.
My message to Sierra Leoneans is very short. Sierra Leone is a beautiful place. We have tens of thousands of people that come here every year to experience the beauty of our beloved country. So, discover Sierra Leone today before everyone else does.
Every weekend at Dubai, Papa, now you a master planner. Giovanni's you my provider.